Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you if you are facing this kind of beep issue from your laptop and desktop. So, how we will fix? So, let's follow the steps. So, first you have to open the laptop or desktop and check the RAM. Just take it out from the slot and clean it and place it back and check whether display is coming or not. So if you are facing this kind of issue, you might face a display issue. Display will not come, so place it back and check if it is working good. If not, then it might be a RAM issue, so replace a new RAM. This will fix your issue. So let's see whether display is coming or not. So now we have turned on the machine and sound is not coming, and as you can see the display is coming now. So if you have any doubt, comment below. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.